Welcome back to Quiz Kingdom. This is Froggy, and today we're putting your animal knowledge to the test in this general knowledge trivia quiz. You'll answer 60 questions about animals from all around the world, from tiny insects to massive mammals, from the deepest oceans to dry deserts. You'll have 10 seconds to answer each question, so think fast and trust what you know. Hit like, subscribe, and let's see if you're an animal expert. Who can run the fastest on land? That would be the cheetah. Which animal's stronger than the rest? The tiger takes that one. Which one delivers the most powerful kick? That honor goes to the zebra. What animal has a full 360-degree field of vision? The chameleon does. Which creature has perfectly square teeth? That's the beaver. What animal keeps growing its entire life? That would be the lobster. Who could see ultraviolet light with ease? The butterfly can. Which insect is more dangerous than it looks? Who has ears that rotate independently? That unique trait belongs to the cat. Next challenge. Which animal matches this shadow? It was A. Did you get it right? Who makes the longest journey when migrating? That tiny traveler's the monarch butterfly. Which sea creature has no bones at all? That would be the jellyfish. Who holds the title of fastest swimmer? The sailfish wins that one. Which animal has 3 hearts beating inside? That's the octopus. Who can smell their prey even underwater? The shark can. Which animal has the biggest brain on Earth? That would be the sperm whale. What animal barely sleeps at all? The giraffe's known for that. Who spends the most time sleeping? The koala definitely does. What animal can mimic human speech? That would be the parrot. Look closely. Which animal does this skeleton belong to? You got it! It's a lion! Which animal has stripes not only on its fur, but also on its skin? That would be the tiger. Which creepy crawler can survive without its head for days? That's the cockroach. Which animal actually makes laughing sounds? That's the hyena. Who's got the longest tongue in the animal world? That goes to the anteater. Who has the thickest, warmest fur? That would be the otter. Whose bite's the most powerful of all? The shark takes that one. Who smells the air using their tongue? That would be the snake. Which animal can hold its breath the longest underwater? That's the turtle. Which one's known for having the best memory? That would be the elephant. Here's another challenge. Can you tell Froggy how many legs a shrimp has? Bingo, they have 10. Who's got the strongest shell of them all? The tortoise carries that title. Who can actually regrow their own heart? That amazing ability belongs to the zebrafish. Who often stands tall and walks on 2 legs? The meerkat does. Which animal can literally run across water? That would be the basilisk. Who could freeze completely and still come back to life? That's the wood frog. Who lights up the night with their glow? That would be the firefly. Who's able to climb up walls with ease? The gecko does that. Which animal lays the largest eggs on land? That's the ostrich. Who carries the heaviest shell around? The turtle does. How many Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles are there in this picture? That's right, there were 16. Who can run backwards with ease? That would be the crab. Who changes color faster than any other animal? The cuttlefish does. Who's got the most powerful tail? That belongs to the alligator. Which animal holds the record for the highest jump? lynx does. Who has horns made entirely of hair? That's the rhino. Which creature sees best in the dark? That would be the owl. Who's the best jumper in proportion to size? That tiny legend is the flea. Who has a heart located in its head? That would be the shrimp. Which creature spends the whole winter in a deep sleep? That's the bear. Look at these emojis and guess the animal. You guessed it, it's the badger. Which marine animal breathes through its lungs? That's the dolphin. Which animal can actually sleep mid-flight? That would be the swift. Which creature is known as the most venomous? That title goes to the jellyfish. Which animal has fingerprints just like humans? That's the lemur. Which creature has no blood at all? The starfish does. Which animal can recognize itself in a mirror? That's the dolphin again. Which one has more legs than most animals? The spider takes that one. Who can taste the world using their feet? That unique ability belongs to the butterfly. Which animal is known for having an incredibly strong immune system? the shark does. Remember the positions of all emojis. Can you find where the shark is? That's right, it's number 3. Thank you for participating in today's challenge. If you liked this video, remember to press the subscribe button and turn on notifications. See you again in the next video. Goodbye!